Hi, this is Leanne Dunkley, and today we're going to be going over groups for Canvas conferences. So in your course in Canvas, you want to navigate to the People section. On the top, you'll see a tab for groups, and this is for student groups. It's a useful way to organize students for things like group projects or for different sections. So you want to create a group set. You can do this for day 1, day 2, English with your ENL group, however you want to organize your class or your course. If there's one you want to delete, you can absolutely edit. So the next thing you want to do in your group set is to add a group. And this I would say would be your periods. So if you have a period 3 class, you have a period 6 class, you create that in. You can leave the limit groups to blank, so that way you don't have to worry about a maximum. And click Save when finished. Again, click on the 3 vertical buttons for editing or deleting groups. If you expand them by clicking the arrow to the left of the period, you can then drag and drop your students into each period. This might have a long list, so you can also search for users using a class list. While time consuming up in the front end, it can absolutely save you time later on when creating conferences. If a student transfers from one period to another, you can easily drag and drop them from one period to another in groups. Classes can also be cloned, so if you have the same group on day 1 and then day 2, you can absolutely clone the groups using the 3 vertical buttons to the right. So now when you come to your course, you click on Home or entering your course for that day or time. Normally, when you click on Conferences and you create a conference, you have to check which students are in that course, which absolutely can be done. With groups, if you click on your, say, day 1 group or day 2 group, and you go to the right buttons by your period, and you're going to go to Visit Group Homepage. This group will give you a page just for this period. So you can do announcements, discussions, files, but for the most part, we just want to do conferences. On the top, you can go to Switch Group if you want to be in a different period. So we're going to click on Conferences. And the same way, you're going to create a conference. It's going to automatically name it Period 3 Conference. Options are all the same. And the Invite All Group Members would be just for this one section, which can be edited if you want specific students, but inviting all group members would be inviting everyone in this period. So once you're done, you can hit Update. And when you're ready to begin the course, hit Start. If you click on the little cog, you can edit or delete as normal. If you would like to switch a group, say you have a period 3 and then a period 4 course and you want to set them up beforehand, you could switch a group to period 4, go to Conferences, and set up a conference the same way. You will be able to switch groups for any group in this group set. So if this is a day 1, it's an easy way to switch between groups. As a student, the view is very helpful. Your course groups are listed on the course's homepage. And the conferences, again, you go to that and you wait until the teacher starts the conference. But it's listed right on the homepage for ease of use for students. Hopefully this was helpful. Any questions we can have, please contact us at techsupport@jerichoschools.org. Thank you and have a great day.